Next topic, cis-trans isomerization in photochemistry. Under photochemical conditions, cis-trans isomerization of olefins readily takes place, which is not possible under thermal conditions. Cis will convert it to trans, trans will convert it to cis. It is reversible. Cis isomer can convert into trans isomer in presence of light. It is not possible in presence of thermal. Okay, cis olefin convert to trans. Here cis stilbene is converted to trans stilbene at the wavelength of 313 nanometers. Okay, the lambda wavelength should be in the region of UV and visible 200 to 800 nanometers, and it should be specific to the molecule. Okay, for stilbene at 313 nanometers, this isomerization occurs. Constant composition mixture obtained in the photochemical reactions called photostationary state. Here the lambda maximum is near to the trans lambda maximum. If the composition of the mixture, if we are getting constant, that is called as a photostationary state. Wherever you are getting the composition, that composition as a constant. Okay, here if you are taking stilbene, cis trans you are getting. Cis if you are taking like a stilbene only, methyl substituted stilbene. If here you are getting cis converting into trans. Oxime is also cis to trans configuration, Z configuration to E configuration conversion. Phenyls are same side here, opposite E configuration. Cis trans isomerization takes place in direct as well as sensitized radiation. This cis trans direct radiation by involving the singlet excited state. Okay, then if you are using sensitizer, that will convert it to triplet excited state also, the reaction occurs. Reaction will be the same, either light in direct irradiation or light by using T sensitizers, it will convert it to the trans. Mechanism of reaction, if you take in direct irradiation, first cis olefin, it will be in a singlet ground state. If you take H nu, means light, if you pass the light of the absorption wavelength of olefins, okay, then vertical singlet excited state it forms, singlet ground state to singlet excited state vertical. If you are rotating 90 degrees of CC bond rotation, you will do 90, after 90 degrees of twisting along the CC bond, vertical becomes non-vertical singlet excited state. Okay, then this for trans olefin, if you take also same singlet H nu vertical singlet excited state, 90 degrees it will convert it to non-vertical singlet excited state. From this, if it is a cis, you will get trans. If it is a trans, you will get cis. Stereochemical memory of the ground state is lost, neither cis nor trans. Okay, then here if we are showing this is vertical singlet excited state, 90 degrees twisting, this you are twisting it, then this R is coming like this. This is non-vertical excited state, cis and trans you are getting. This is for trans molecule, this is for cis molecule. This is in equation form. Okay, then orbitals, if you see here, both the orbitals, if we are doing rotation, this orbital is becoming 90 degrees rotation, like this you are doing for this. For this is trans. Okay, this is here energy of vertical singlet excited state will be more than the non-vertical singlet excited state. Therefore, it is preferably than vertical singlet excited state. Okay, energy will be more for vertical singlet excited state than non-vertical singlet excited state. Triplet sensitized radiation. If you do triplet, if you are using triplet sensitizer, first singlet, you are using the sensitizer, that's why singlet will convert it to triplet. Okay, triplet, vertical triplet excited state. If you are doing this twisting same like that, you will get non-vertical triplet state. Okay, from the trans also will get the same. So from this you are getting cis and trans. Okay, here energy of non-vertical singlet excited state than that energy of non-vertical triplet excited state. Singlet will be the energy will be more than the energy of non-vertical triplet excited state. This energy will be more. Singlet non-vertical excited state energy will be more for this reaction. Okay, some examples if you take simple addition reactions. Okay, this is about the olefins, cis trans isomerism in the olefins. Okay, the cis will convert it to the trans in presence of a light that may be under direct irradiation or triplet by using the triplet sensitizer. Okay, this is about the cis trans isomerism. Thank you.